So if you want to overview your Outlook, today's calendar and the task, when you start up your Outlook, you can overview today's calendar and the task for today. So how to set up this? It's very simple. You just click your email address of your Outlook, and from here you can see Customize Outlook today. Click that, and the first one, Start Up. When starting up, go directly to Outlook today. Check this box and save change. So after that, you will, every time when you open Outlook, you will see today's calendar and tasks. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please support me to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.